How to add personalization tags in Instantly.ai. Step 1. From your dashboard, go to Campaigns and open Sequence you're writing your emails. Step 2. While writing your email, simply type double curly brackets. Inside, add tag you want, such as first name, company, or title. Instantly will automatically pull this data from your lead list. Step 3. You can also create custom fields in your lead list, like website or location, and use them in your email for even deeper personalization. Step 4. Before sending, click Preview to make sure your tags are displaying correctly. If a field is missing, Instantly will leave it blank, so always double check. Step 5. Once everything looks good, save your sequence. Now, each lead will receive a personalized email that feels right and just for them. So that's it.